Today, I'm going to show you how to confidently add a logo to your video in CapCut, from your very first import all the way to exporting a finished file, ready to share with the world. Whether you're making promo videos for your brand or just marking your content for social media, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to insert and fine-tune a logo so it looks polished and professional, no matter if you're on mobile or desktop. All right, let's dive right in. First up, let's get your media into CapCut. Go ahead and open up CapCut and start a fresh project. From here, you'll want to import your main video clips. These are the backbone of your project, so take a second to organize them in the timeline in the order you want. Next, let's bring in your logo image. For best results, I highly recommend using a PNG file with a transparent background. That way, your logo won't have any awkward blocks of color behind it and can overlay smoothly on your footage. If you don't already have it in PNG format, you can use a free online converter. Just a quick tip to save yourself trouble later. Once your logo's in the media bin, it's time to put it onto your video. This is where we'll add it as an overlay. If you're using the mobile app, head to the toolbar at the bottom, tap on Overlay, and then Add Overlay. Now, select your logo and hit Add. Easy as that. If you're on the PC version, it's actually even more straightforward. Just drag your logo image from the media bin right onto a new track above your main video, so it sits on top of your footage. Think of it like putting a sticker on a photo. The overlay track allows your logo to sit above everything else. With your logo on the timeline, you'll notice it might not be in the perfect spot just yet, and that's what we tackle next: positioning and resizing. On mobile, tap to select the logo clip. Then use a 2-finger pinch on the preview screen to make it larger or smaller. One finger will let you drag the logo to any corner or position you prefer. If you're on PC, click the logo clip. Then use the scale slider in the right-hand panel under Video and Basic to resize. For precise placement, try the X and Y position sliders, but you can also just drag the logo where you want it in the preview. Picture your logo as a signature. You probably want it sitting neatly in a corner, not smack in the center, unless that's your style. After you've got the logo nicely positioned, let's make sure it stays on screen for as long as you want. This part is simple. On the timeline, select the logo clip, then grab the right edge and drag it outward so it matches the full length of your video. This step ensures your logo isn't just popping up for a second and then vanishing when you want continuous branding. Take your time. Sometimes the timeline zoom can make it a little fiddly if you have a long video. Now, sometimes a logo can come off a bit loud or distracting, especially if it's super bold. If that's the case, adjusting the transparency can really help. On mobile, select the logo and look for the opacity tool in the bottom toolbar. Drop it down to anywhere between 20 to 40%, depending on how subtle you want it. On the PC version, you'll find an opacity slider in the right-hand details pane under Video and Basic. Think of this like turning down the brightness. Your logo will still be visible, but won't overshadow your content. Before we wrap up, give your video a preview, scrub through and make sure your logo is looking just right, sized and placed exactly where you want it. If everything's good, all that's left is to export your finished video by tapping Export. You're done, and you have a watermarked video ready to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more easy video editing guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want advice on CapCut features. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!